welcome back to another video. Today I've got a review to do for Trillslime. It's come all the way from America, this package, and it was not cheap to get it here, I've got to say, not for the faint-hearted. So you'd be paying $11 for cotton candy crunch cake, 6 ounces, gumdrop 6 ounces, $11, a total of $22, so that's just the start. And the total I paid with the postage was $44.33, but then on top of that the customs duty slapped on for a whopping £12.92, the total being £45.64 for 2 slimes. Yeah, that's a lot. So I hope it's worth it, but we will find out, because I really wanted to know what slimes would be like from the US compared to the UK, and to see how Trillslime's, a well-known slime shop in the US, presents their slimes and what they're like. So I'm pretty excited about this. So I'm getting Ev to open this for me, and she's got a little baggie of extras. That's nice. It's nerds, sweets, and what else have we got in here? Oh yeah, the card. There's a card with the borax instructions, how to look after your slime, and then their Instagram and YouTube channel details. And get those sweeties out of there. We've got nerds and gumballs. So very nicely put together. So inside there's the invoice for the slimes I ordered, and the slimes are pretty well wrapped. So often I see that slimes that come in bubble wrap leak, but these look pretty good. So we've got, I don't know which one this is. We weren't sure because there's no information on the back of these slimes to say which is which, so we have to guess. So the first one Ev opens is really stretchy, look at that, that's pretty nice. And the smell for this was, well, really, really good. Sort of sweet, slightly amaretto-ish smell, but it was a job getting it out of the container. It was pretty sticky, but it had taken a long time to get here from America, so it's understandable. But the colour was really nice. It was very stretchy, very clicky. The beads were really cute inside, multicoloured, different sized beads. So on to slime number 2, and this is a very pretty blue colour with really pretty beads in it. A bit of a dent, but it doesn't matter. And this slime turned out to be quite thick. So look at that. That is so glossy. Really, really nice look to that. So very pretty slime. And not any scent to this, so it just smells of the soap that's probably in it already. It's got good stretch. It's kind of clay, this slime, and it's got lots of pretty blue and white beads in it. And there's not really any click because it's very thick and has a lot of beads in it, so I'm not going to bother letting you hear the ASMR for this one. So overall, the blue one's the favourite. The texture's really nice, it's really pretty. Didn't have much of a scent.
This one had a better scent and it smelled amazing, whereas this one just smelled like soap.
The texture is good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'd say that this one is a rate 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
7 to 8. And this one is a 6 to 7.
Okay, great. That's it. Put them down. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I wouldn't recommend buying from America for the simple reason that it's too expensive to get it here. So, but it was fun to do the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye!